Hi everyone, I've got this really cheap traveler's coffee maker. I thought I'd just make a quick video, show everyone what's in the box and a little bit about it, and perhaps make a few comments as well. So if that's all good, let's just open it up and go over it together. Okay. In the box, we've got an instruction, explains what's what, bit of an operation manual. Put that on the side. It's a nice little pouch that this comes with, which will be really good. Yeah, good quality, relatively a good material. We've got a cup on either side. That's one. There's one on this side. Basically, it gives you two coffee cups. On one side, we've got scoop to scoop out the coffee grounds, and this bigger cup or compartment is for hot water. On this side, we've got where the coffee ground is placed. So basically, essentially, you scoop out the ground inside this compartment, and then it just sort of fits in there. And once it's placed over the hot water, presumably there's hot water in this, and then we need to open this pump, and then we'll be able to pump it. Presumably this way, you pump it into the cup. There's quite a few bits and pieces to it. Seems to be a quality product. I'm not sure really entirely if I've made everything really clear or not, but essentially this is all you get in the box. I'm going to make a coffee with this machine in a separate video to show you how it really operates if needed be, but I wanted to share the unboxing, the product on the camera for those of you who are interested, potentially looking at buying one. That's really all. Be sure to subscribe. Thank you.